And we're back in the garage. So we got this furnace here. The complaint was there was no heat and a burning smell, so probably got a dead blower. So we'll check it out. So here we go. Filter, not terrible. Probably maybe a couple months old, so that's good. Got the amp clamp on the blower motor. We're gonna call for heat and see what it does. Okay, we got inducer. All right, well, we got ignition, so we know that the furnace side of things seems to be working. This is a reed, so these actually have a light that indicate there's flame sense, which is kind of nice. So now we're just waiting for the blower to kick on. All right, we're pulling 7 amps, and it's definitely not spinning. So that would appear to be our issue. 7 amps and it's not spinning, so motor's probably bad, but we're gonna go ahead and check the run cap first before we replace any motors. All right, so this is 7.5, we got 7.70, so definitely not the run cap. Let's see if we can spin this thing. Oh, it's super hot and it barely spins. Yeah, so we're gonna need a new motor. All right, we got the motor taken out. We need to know what our horsepower is and our voltage. 1050 RPM, quarter horse, 115 volts. Let's see what we got on the truck. All right, so it looks like with the Mars 10466 will work. So this one does quarter. It's a 1075 RPM, so it's off by 25 RPMs. Quarter horse, we're gonna be using medium low to low. And run cap will be a 10, so that means we need to add a new run cap. And it is 115 volts, so that's what we're going to use. Yeah, the motor doesn't spin very well. All right, new motor's installed. Spins good. So now hopefully it spins the correct direction. Okay, so because of the horsepower, we had to use we can't use high, it's too much. So for cooling, I have medium high. For heat, I have medium low. And then for fan, I have low. So yeah, anyway, so let's go ahead and cycle this thing on and see what she does. All right, so I'm going R to G because I want to make sure the fan's spinning the correct direction. All right, there she goes. Yeah, so I got those wrong. So heat I have on medium low, cooling is on medium high, and fan is on low. Got those mixed up. That's why my amp draws were all funky. So I'm gonna put the door on, turn it on from the thermostat, and we'll go ahead and monitor and see how she works, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty then, she's back up and running. So anyway, usually when you get a complaint of no heat with a smell of burning, it's usually going to be a blower motor. So hopefully this helps you out if you come across this in the field. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am. Hit that bell notification and follow me on Instagram, Facebook. And if you like the tools that I use, pick them up on my Amazon store. And if you'd like to get some work socks, use Nighthawk 10 at Campbell City Mill for 10% off. Thanks for watching.